welcome to my channel Psych and Science. This is Nikita, and in today's video I'm going to explain you about the approaches of psychology. So my first video was about the basics of psychology. It's really interesting, guys. Make sure you watch it too. The types of approaches: the first is biological approach, behavioral approach, cognitive approach, psychodynamic approach, fifth humanistic approach, and the sixth one is the sociocultural approach. So the first one is the biological approach. Biological approach makes use of chromosomes, genes, hormones, nerve, sensory organ, etc. to understand the human behavior. But this approach failed to explain the internal experience and certain types of behavior. Through this, the complete understanding of body and brain is not possible. So this was the major reason that why this approach failed. The second one is the behavioral approach. According to psychologist Watson, man should be understood by his behavior, and that too, which can be observed in an objective manner. That is why this approach is also known as stimulus response approach. Other than Watson, B.F. Skinner, Gurdjieff, Tolman, etc. have contributed in this field. So these are the great psychologists who have contributed immensely in psychology. Cognitive approach. Cognitive approach has developed as opposed to the behavioral approach, which saw human beings' behavior in mechanical in nature. This approach tries to understand the complex variables like problem solving, memory, thinking, etc. So the cognition is a very deep topic in psychology, and even its variables, they are very deep and important topics. So you would study in future. Psychodynamic approach. Psychodynamic approach tries to study the human behavior based on the parts of personality, that is, id, ego, and superego. It also tries to understand the conscious, subconscious, and unconscious state of mind, as well as the psychosexual development takes place. So there is one more information which I have, that is Sigmund Freud was a great psychologist and he has contributed immensely in psychodynamic approach. Fifth is the humanistic approach. The humanistic approach is more optimistic and sees human being in a positive light. This approach considers man to be strong, active, and one who would stay in society adhering to its norms. This approach is recognized for its positivity. The sixth and the last one is the sociocultural approach. This approach considers social and cultural variables very important for molding the human behavior. This approach holds the environment responsible for man's good behavior as well as the bad behavior. For an individual's behavior, his social, cultural behavior, beliefs, standards, and position are considered because they play an important role. So, thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys liked it, and please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.